Okay, I believe these are the ones that I was asked about. Let me just pull this up. Number 3 and 4 from slide 4 of this week's VoiceThread. So, number 3, let me get some red. There we go. So number 3 here says y equals -4. So when you're graphing an equation like this, like these ones, you can choose one of the values and then solve for the other one. So for example, you can choose an x value and then solve. So you could say like x equals 3. Oops, I don't know what that was supposed to be doing. You can say x equals 3, and then you can say y equals whatever. So if we were doing 10, then we would plug in 3, right? So it'd be 5 times 3 would be 15 minus 3y equals 6. My handwriting's a little off right now. And then you just would solve it until you have y equals whatever it is. Okay, so let me erase all this stuff because that's not the one I'm doing. The one we're doing is number 3. So it doesn't matter what x equals in this case, because will it ever change what y equals? If you say x equals 10, what does y equal? Well, it equals -4. If you say y equals 1,000,000, if you say x equals 1,000,000, y still equals -4. So in this case, y equals -4, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, -4, right, on the y-axis. It doesn't matter what x you choose, it's always going to be -4. So it'll be a straight horizontal line at -4. Okay, that's number 3. Okay, let me do number 4 now. And number 4, let's do that same thing. So we'll say at x equals, you want to do 2 points so you can figure out where the line's going. So let's start with just saying x equals 0. Let's find out where it's going to intercept the y-axis, right? Because if x equals 0, that means we're right here. So at x equals 0, we're finding the y-intercept. So at x equals 0, we have 0 minus 3, so it's going to intercept here, right? Because we have y equals 0 minus 3. Okay, so it intercepts at 1, 2, -3. And then let's also do like maybe x equals 4. So we'll do it at x equals 4. So I'm going to also say here y equals -3, right? Okay, that's y. There we go. So at x equals 4, my goodness, I apologize for handwriting. At x equals 4, let's see what y equals. So if we plug 4 in here, say y equals 4 minus 3, then we get y equals 1, right? 4 minus 3, so 1. So at x equals 1, 2, 3, 4, y is going to be 1. So that's what that line looks like. So I hope that helps. Let me know if you guys have any other questions that you need me to help solve.